What's up, guys? Let's see what's going on. What's going on? Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome to Maryland and Harold Blocks. Just finished my coffee, but I think I want another round. Coffee's so damn. Oh, there's no more water. The struggles of not having water. So I just dropped another blog, y'all. NAIA Airport. New policies. So check that out, guys. I'm waiting right now for some parts. Today, guys, we get our compressor and we get the vulcanizer machine to patch the tires. So excited, I'm waiting, like, bring it on. Well, I'm excited, and at the same time, I'm kind of like, I guess we're all worried whenever we invest money in something. But I'm like, oh, just just thinking, like, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna. But hopefully everything goes good and we're able to do this because it's March, okay. Yeah, and then this week, we have a lot of things to do this week. Well, we have to wait. I have to go to the city and pick up my passport. Okay, and then at the city pick up my passport, and then I have to go to Zamboanga City, 7 hours away. It's the first time I'm going to Zamboanga City, so I am looking forward to it though. I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna apply for my TNA visa. So once I go through that process, I'm going to upload a video and tell you how it went, because